Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. And in this video I am going to share with you how you can get custom username for your Facebook account. Okay, so this is easy process, just follow my steps, then you will learn. So we need to go Facebook, then you can see here the Facebook apps. Click in our Facebook apps, then we have to go here the option 3 line the right side. Click on this and click your profile, this here, and this is my friend ID. Okay, friend Facebook ID. So we need to go here the option 3 line, click on this, and after that here you can see that your profile link. This is currently profile link. Okay, so this is default. I hope this account opened by mobile number, that's why they showed its PSP something like this. Okay, so if we want to get custom username, then we have to follow these steps. Okay, so we have to go and open Messenger. Okay, you can change it on Messenger. So click Messenger icon here, you can see, and after that we have to go the option here, you can see this one, right? Click on this, and after that scroll down a little bit, then we'll get the option here, you can see the option username, right? So click on this and click this option edit username, click on this, and after that there is no username. Okay, so if we want to create a new one, then we have to create here. So I just write something, Habiba. Okay, this username isn't available, so someone has taken this, so I need to open another. Okay, this has also taken, then I just use the number. This is also taken, so I just use 21. Okay, so this is available. Okay friend, you can see here this username, this custom username. So you can easily create your own username, so it depends on your name, or you can see here. So after that we have to click here save option, right? This one, save, click on this and done. So here you can see that we have successfully created our custom username. So if we want to check our profile URL, so we need to go again, and here you can see again, then you can see that your username has been created successfully. So if you send it now, link to profile copy, so you can use it. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you, and please subscribe to the channel, and if you got helpful from this video, please share it to your friends. And today is no more friend, and thank you for watching this tutorial.